in performance of his duty
That
as...
is the consequence of lawyering. Hanap buhay namin yan. Na mag-abogado kami noon, may kaso, then he happened to be the lawyer na ngayon naging secretary. Wala mang masama niya maghingi ng tulong sa iyo. Marami akong ganun. Kung gusto mo mag-ano ka, but do it in public. If you have something to say, sabi ko, you call the media. You state your case and I will answer you. Ganon ako.
So you don't see that, sir, as a conflict of interest considering that he's
No,
your spokesperson?
because he has no decision at all. Why is there a conflict of interest when he is not called upon to decide? Eh, kung sabi naghingi lang tulong, kasi abogado siya noon, ano bang masama niyan? Ngayon kung sabihin mo, sige, lakarin natin ito, meron kayong pera, marami pang naiwan sa waiting ninyo.